Custom codes allow you to quickly and easily add custom information to your templates and documents. These custom codes can be general purpose, or if you're using Signature with Tokeet, then your custom codes can be rental specific. Here are some key steps you should perform when creating a new custom code. From your custom code table, navigate to the upper right and click Add Custom Code. You'll immediately be taken to the Create Custom Code overlay. First, you'll want to give your custom code a name. This name will be visible in the editor when you insert the custom code into the template or document. The name of the custom code can be anything you want it to be, but it is recommended you use a name that provides you with a proper context for the purpose of the custom code. The only restrictions are that the name must be no longer than 15 characters long, and it can only contain a letter and/or numbers. No spaces or special characters are allowed. In our example, we've given the custom code the name Parking. This custom code will be used to insert parking instructions in our templates. The name will allow any of the users of the account to quickly recognize the purpose of the custom code. One way to simplify the template creation process is to have a single custom code that can work with multiple rentals. Using the rental selector, you can insert different custom fields into the same template, depending on which rental the signer is staying in. This can be used to tailor the messaging in your templates to a specific rental, without having to create an entirely new template. In our example, we have selected 2 rentals for this custom code. Later, we'll be able to add another version of the same custom code, with different parking instructions for the remaining rentals in the group. This will provide the signer with the correct parking instructions, regardless of which rental has been booked. Keep in mind that this step is only available for users with an active Tokeet Channel Manager subscription. If no Channel Manager integration is found, custom codes cannot be assigned to specific rentals. Now it's time to enter the custom information that will be inserted into your template through this custom code. The contents of the custom code can be anything you want it to be. The only restriction is that the custom code can only contain text. There are no images allowed in custom codes. When the template is sent, the custom code will be inserted into the template with the formatting preserved as seen in the custom code editor. At the top of the custom code editor is a toolbar that allows for rich text markups. Please be advised that the markup should only be performed when appropriate for the placement of the text into the template. You want the text to blend into the underlying template as seamlessly as possible. To the bottom of the custom code editor is the Plain Text, Rich Text button. This will allow you to switch between rich text and plain text editing modes. In plain text mode, you are able to edit the HTML of the text that will be inserted by the custom code. Advanced HTML code is not supported. In our example, we have added parking instructions into the custom code body. These instructions will direct the signer to the parking space for the 2 rentals selected earlier. When we add a second version of this custom code later, we will enter a different set of parking instructions into this field. A contextual custom code name can be supplemented with a detailed description of how the custom code is supposed to be used. This field is optional, but helps provide users of your account with a complete understanding of each custom code that has been created. The signers will not see this field. In our example, we have added a detailed description explaining the contents and purpose of this custom code. This description will allow any other users of the account to quickly recognize the purpose of this custom code. Custom code tags can also be assigned to the custom code. These will allow you to more easily filter and organize your custom codes on the custom codes page. In our example, we have assigned the tags parking and directions to this custom code. These tags allow easy filtering of the custom codes page. When you're finished editing the settings, it's time to save your custom code. Navigate to the upper right and click the Save button to finish the wizard, and save your custom code. You can see here that your newly created custom code has been added to the list. And that's it. Creating custom codes is just one of the many exciting features with Signature.